What's going on, guys? So you probably have the Pavo 20 Pro and you probably want to change the frame. It's called a duct. I'm going to change the duct because maybe you've damaged it, but I've cracked it here. So in this video we're going to replace the duct. Here's a new one from B to PV. So first, to do this, we're going to have to, before we can remove the bottom one, we have to remove this top canopy here, which is held up by 4 screws. I don't know, but we'll have to remove this first. So to do that, you need to grab one of these screwdrivers. It's the H1.5. Grab that, get straight into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 screws. So basically just remove that. I want to try and keep all of these safe. So here's one screw. Got a plate here. To the side we're going to be the canopy screws, and then the other side we'll have the other one. So the opposite side, easy peasy. I'm also going to try not to unplug anything because I don't want to touch anything at all. But also, guys, make sure when you order your duct that you order the right one, because the Pavo 20 Pro 2 came out and it has a slightly different duct. I'll show a picture on screen here so you guys can see the difference between the first version and the second version. So just make sure you get the right one for your quad. Last screw here, and then we should be able to get access to the screws that are holding the flight controller with the duct itself. Now I do have my LED lights on this drone, which is, I don't think I can hit them off, but anyways. So now we've removed this. I'm not going to unplug it. We're going to work with this. Should be okay, I think. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that are holding in the base. So we're going to remove these 4 screws and we should get access to the base. So we'll just turn these out nice and slowly. I might just use a little bit of electric power. Okay, it's starting to click. I don't know why it's clicking, but alright, let me try the other one. Why are they clicking? I'm so confused. Actually, I say this bit off, but this is annoying me. Take this off. Also want to unplug the LED lights as well. Okay, pull that out. There we go. Now that light is disconnected. The clicking sound. I'm not too sure what the clicking sound means, but it'll be okay. I'm hoping, because I didn't watch any videos on this because I couldn't find any videos, so I'm making a whole video myself. And the last one is here. Just like that. Just like that, guys, we have my screw stuck. Just like that, we have the base. Here it is, we've removed it. Here we have the quad itself, which looks really crazy. Here we have the new one inside this box. So we're just gonna get this. I think we'll put this through here. There we go, nice and easy. It's one side done. There we go, that's 2 done. Okay, last screw for the base. Okay, so make sure everything's nice and tight. Check the old props can move. Very good. Okay, this is why it's stuck here. But I'm just going to screw this back on with the 4 screws that we had, and we should be good to go. I'm going to try not to do it too tight because it messes up with the... You'll get jello if you do it too tight. Make sure there is some bounciness. Oh no, one thing I forgot to do is put the strap, because the capacitor is in the way of this. So. Oh, I did it. Oof, that was scary. Is this right? I don't know if I did this right. I think so, I can't even tell. I'll fix that later. Let's get this canopy screwed on. Alright, to the opposite corner. There you guys. You guys probably know already. This one here. There you go. Turn this one in. Okay. Last one, which is this one here, top right. I actually ordered another duct for this drone, just in case this one breaks. And it's actually out of stock everywhere. I managed to get a blue one, which is the next one. I do want to also do a test flight. Make sure everything is okay, no issues at all, because then I don't mess everything up. I'm hoping we should be good to go. That was fairly simple. And now we have completed a new duct change. I want to fly it, and I'll let you guys know in the comments how it went. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.